Hello students, I am back to continue the syllabus. Class 5, subject EVS, topic effects of shifting. Today we are going to talk about the effects that are the result of the shifting of the family. Means when the people do the migration, definitely some changes comes in the family. So we are going to talk about these changes. The movement of people has also changed family structure. Mean if the people is doing migration, definitely it will change the family structure. Family structure means number of family members. When we were living in the joint family, definitely the family members were more. Many family members live together. That was the big family. When people do the migration, one family shifted in that place and the next family shifted at other place, then definitely number of the family members got less. Means lastly it was the joint family, now it becomes a nuclear family. So the family structure got changed when the people do the movement. Next, big families turn into small families. Many families live in the joint family, and after the movement, that was the big families that turns into the small families. Means joint family converts into the nuclear families. Sometimes this change lead to happiness. Means due to the migration, sometimes people got happy. Suppose that I was living in a village, and after the migration, I moved to the cities. Definitely, I had lot of facilities in the cities more than the villages, and I also can enjoy my life more there because lot of opportunities are also there. So sometimes this change lead to the happiness. Next, sometimes it cause unhappiness. In some cases, definitely it gives the unhappiness also. Suppose that earlier I was living in a city, and after that I moved to the village because I am a government employee. I got transfer. So in that case, it leads unhappiness. And not only the region of the facilities and these things. Sometimes people are very caring to each other. They have the most of the moral attachment. And when the joint family turns into a nuclear family, in that case, they got moral hurt. They miss their family members that was living with happiness. So it caused unhappiness also. Next, different family units have different beliefs and ideas. It is a very important point because at present many families are broken up because only because of the beliefs and ideas. Means whatever the rules and regulations have to be run in the society with a tradition. At present time, the new generation want to make change in it, and because of it, the difference is coming between the beliefs and ideas. So it also make changes. Next, these beliefs are vary from generation to generations. If you will try to think about the rules and regulation, whatever the rules and regulation were in the past, in the time of our grandparents, definitely at present it is lot of changes. In the earlier time, the small family member cannot talk loudly all these things to the that time, but at present it's all happening. So beliefs and ideas are getting changed by generation to generation. Earlier generation was little bit backward, little bit back foot on the earth. But at present we are not have the facilities. We are totally changes our rules and regulations. Most of our relatives live in other cities. Due to the migration, our relatives are not living with us. They are living at other places. So there is a much difference and distance between the families. If we want to meet to each other, we have to wait for the 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or years also. So relatives are living at a long distance. Next, older people have to live alone. It is also a very important point because you can see it many times. The grandparents are living alone, parents are living alone, and their children are doing the job in the other cities. So because of the shifting and migration, older people are living alone. Nobody is there to care of them. Next, young people also have to grow up without grandparents. Normally, the small kids want only one thing, that is the support, care, love, and these things. And they can get only those things only by the grandparents, because grandparents are at of older age. They don't have the much work pressure. They are here to just give the moral support and their experience to the family members. So children always miss their grandparents. So it is a very big issue and it is a very big effect of the changing of the family. Now, today's homework, EVS homework, learn and write these points in your activity copy. You have to write all these points in your activity copy and also you have to learn it. Thank you.